Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bag on the application of Amazon Shopping. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Amazon Shopping and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Amazon Shopping. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us.